Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making moi moi on this channel, and I'll be sharing with you my recipe, how I make my moi moi. Yes, so moi moi is a very versatile food. You can pair it with anything: bread, gari, pap, custard, or you can just eat as is. Yes, it's very easy to make. Aside the washing of the beans and peeling of the beans, it's very easy to make, and it's also very yummy. So join me as I make moi moi today on my channel. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. No, just do all the good stuff. For our moi moi, we have our already washed beans, our tatashe, that's our shepherd pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. We have our onions, our mackerel fish, some crayfish powder, and some boiled eggs. To start off, we're going to be boiling our mackerel fish. Yes, I'll add that in a clean pot, and then I'll be seasoning the fish with some onion powder, some bouillon cubes. I'll also be going in with some salt to taste, some paprika powder, and then some curry powder, just a little bit. Once I've added this in, I'll go in with a little water to cook the fish. Just cover and allow to boil. Once our fish is well cooked, I will take it off, and then I will debone the fish and set it aside. Yes, so boil the bone and set aside for use later on. I also have my boiled eggs. Yes, I boiled them earlier on, so I'm just peeling the back, or rather the skin or the hard shell, set aside for use later on as well. In my blender, I have my already washed beans. I'll be going in with my shepherd pepper and my crimson pepper. We call it tatashe pepper and shombo pepper back home in Nigeria, but the English names are shepherd pepper and crimson pepper. It would give the moi moi the color we want, and then the flavor as well. So I also went in with some onions, very important. My crayfish powder, very important as well. I believe all the ingredients I've used so far are very important and vital to getting a very flavorful moi moi. Some salt to taste, and some bouillon cubes as well. And then I'll be going in with some oil. You can use your olive oil, groundnut oil. I'm making use of canola oil, by the way. And then I went in with my stock. So the stock I got from boiling my fish. I also added enough water to allow the beans blend very smoothly. Lastly, I went in with my scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, we also want some spice in our moi moi. Yes, so I like my food spicy. Once this has all been added to the blender, I'm just going to blend until it's very smooth. Very, very smooth. Take note. So you just want to keep blending this until you've gotten the right consistency. We want our moi moi to be very smooth and not grainy. So I've gotten the right consistency, and I'm just transferring this into a bowl. I'm making use of my whisk in order to incorporate air into my batter. I have some fish chunks which I'm adding to the batter as well, so I can mix it in properly. Also going in with some more oil. Like I said earlier, I'm making use of some canola oil. I added in some more salt and some seasoning powder. Remember, I added some salt and seasoning powder while blending the beans, but it was not enough. So I've tasted and I'm adjusting as required. So always taste and adjust as required. I also went in with some more scotch bonnet pepper. That's the habanero pepper, for that spice, you know, that kick to the moi moi. Whisk this some more and our moi moi is ready to go. I'm making use of these aluminium pans, but you can also make use of your ramekins or a moi moi pouch. So I'm just going to be portioning these in little bits, going with some fish chunks and also an egg. I'm just going to share these into little portions until I've exhausted the contents of my bowl. Guys, what do you think of moi moi? When you hear moi moi, what comes to mind? What do you think of my recipe today? Would you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, a like, share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching so far. Okay, so we are almost done with portioning. I'm going to be making use of 2 pots in boiling or in cooking the moi moi. For the sake of the size of my pots, it wouldn't contain all of my aluminum pans, so I'm also making use of a moi moi pouch in order to contain all of them. Yes, so I also made use of 2 moi moi pouch for this. Done portioning. Yes, we're done sharing into pans and moi moi pouches. It's now time for the real deal. We're going to be boiling. I already placed in water in the pot and left to boil, so we're going to be adding in the moi moi to an already boiling pot of water, as you can see. Yes, so moi moi can also be baked in the oven. You just need to do what is easier and what works for you. But for today, I'm going to be boiling or steaming the moi moi in a pot of water. Just give it about a couple of minutes, say 30 minutes, and our moi moi is ready. Guys, let me tell you, this was very flavorful and very yummy. It was also very fluffy. So I'm going to be serving my moi moi today with some custard. You can make use of pap, gari, bread. Just do what works for you. Guys, what do you think of my moi moi? Let me know in the comment section. Drop a comment for me. Thank you guys for watching so far. I would see you in the next video. Bye for now.